Your rear end off.
Alright, you got your first little step down, but not the whole thing yet. Keep coming. That's the
Not
little
yet.
one.
The first
That's
one, the first 12 inches.
Go slow, go slow. Keep going. There you go. Does he need to turn it all or
No, he's good. You got about 12 inches left.
And this is the big one.
Here you go, cresting.
Front tires are going over.
Careful, babe.
Hard on the brake, don't turn.
Come on, babe.
Okay, belly. You're hitting the belly. Oh, geez.
There you go. You're gonna slide, you're okay. A rock is moving, but you are okay. You're all right. Little more straight, there you go. Yep, there you go. Okay, your back is crested, okay? Here you goes your back. Going down, going down. Bumper, bumper. That's your tow hitch. You're good. Oh, you took some serious paint off your tow hitch.